All right, hey, this is Hans.
And this is Kit.
And this is...
Attractive Break.
So, we found out about a thing recently that Weird Al Yankovic had his hand in. So he's got a movie, and it's called UHF, that made this odd sandwich. My wife recreated this sandwich, if you'd like to bring out the sandwich. Basically, it's like a hot dog on a Twinkie bun with cheese whiz, spray cheese. And I'm getting the aroma from here, and it's absolutely exquisite, folks.
All I smell is hot dog.
Yeah, that's really all I smell too. And Miles, we're not going to ask of you to partake of this. This could stunt your growth. We are now going to each eat one of these and give a full report on what we think.
What's going on with
now, granted, we should also mention we are about to do a few episodes of Chocolate Break after this. So, depending on how this goes, we may not. So, are you ready?
I think so. I'm not going to be any more ready than I am right now.
Let's have Miles be the officiator of the ready, set, and go. Ready, set,
Stop. Gee, what's it?
I don't know if that's what I call it.
Oh, that's frickin' hideous. Wow. You're in the home stretch, babe. You're right there. What are your thoughts?
That was horrible.
That's a bad combo.
That was sickening.
Yeah. Oddly enough, I didn't taste the cheese at all.
Yeah, I agree. I didn't really taste a whole lot of cheese. It was hot dog and sugar.
Yeah. It was
I don't like Twinkies anyways. But
no.
oh, God. I feel filthy.
Yeah. I feel destitute and doomed and...
I really need something to wash that down with.
What would be the worst thing to wash that down with? Like
juice.
Cream soda or...
Orange juice.
Orange... Oh, God. Mango puree. Oh, extra pulp orange juice. Oh, Jesus.
Yuck. Oh, man.
What would you have with that? Oh, what would you have on the side, Miles?
Salmon.
What else would you eat with it? Tomato?
Oh, tomato slices.
Banana?
Kale chips.
Kale chips? That's your favorite.
Wow. Well, yeah, if you want to try that, I highly recommend it. It's really not that hard of a challenge to do.
It's
and
not,
now,
but it's...
if you're watching this, I challenge you to do it. Do a video and tag us in the video, and we'll watch it, and maybe we'll have a follow-up show and do some clips of your guys' videos.
Yeah,
so,
that would be cool.
yeah, freaking get on it. Don't be lazy. Don't. We weren't. We went
Really
through...
sad that we weren't. So nasty.
We do these things for you, Internet. Give us
You're
the
welcome.
love. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.